Let's build my kids a surprise snack shelf for when they get home. Because this ain't cutting it no more. I do need y'all to know. It's going to be a lot of furniture building going on over here. I know I said a month ago I was going to start putting stuff together. But I got a new house. New house. Bigger house. More furniture. And most of it comes from TikTok shop. So there's that. Let's build a shelf. First and foremost, this was super easy to put together. It didn't even take me that long to do it. Probably about 30, maybe 45 minutes at most. The instructions were very clear and easy to follow. I like that the color of it is black because all of the appliances in my kitchen are black and white. And this is like a continuation of my kitchen because my kitchen is better than my last kitchen, but it's a lot smaller. But I'm actually using the cabinets in this one. If y'all know, you know. It was very easy to put together. It felt very sturdy as I was putting it up. You can actually drill this little wall if you want to. I chose not to do that, but I might have to do that later. Because once my snack heads see this, they might just knock it over. Okay, so it's time to load the snacks. I hope you didn't think that I was just going to put the snacks up there in the boxes that they came in. Come on now. Of course, I have these containers. Everybody does. Let's fill them up. There are a lot of containers in here. And I mean a lot. I'm kind of mad about how excited I got about these containers. All of the lids fit all of the containers. That's crazy. Wait a minute. I mean, I got so into it that I forgot to record me filling up the containers. That's how I know I'm over the age of 30. I'm the adult in this situation because this excited me. They came with these little stickers and labels that I needed to put because Kenzie's treats went into these containers. Good girl treats, yes ma'am. And this is how it turned out. Actually, I'm obsessed. I love this. I cannot wait to organize the rest of my house because this little snack shelf is giving me so much life.
Your mama back, Mom. It's nice.
It's so nice.
I love Mama.
Y'all like how it's set up?
Yeah. These
Uh-huh.
crackers, these gushers.